Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2. I started thinking about you wouldn't want the name to be stretched out very far up and down. So I would make a smaller box that one of your shorter names would fit into pretty good. And that's actually a little bit, long, but that'll work. And then just use this box. So I'm going to hit, if you didn't watch the first video, I made a shortcut key for doing that right there. And then if we shift select this box and go EC, it looks a little better to me. Now this way it won't stretch it up and down as much. And if we hit O on the keyboard and grab that, and what's so nice about this, when you're done, it's already grabbed it. You just have to shift like that and go EC. I think that's a lot better look. And let's try it one more time. O on the keyboard and shift select that one and go EC. And you could actually probably make a shortcut for EC. But I think that would be the way to go. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.